Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I am Jamaluddin, a lecturer and PhD scholar in political science. I warmly welcome to you to our channel, Jamal Academy of Politics in IR. This channel is dedicated to political science, international relations, Pakistan affairs and current affairs. Whether you are a university student, college student, or preparing for CSS, PMS, or other competitive exams, you are in the right place. Why should you join us? Join us for comprehensive lecture series with step-by-step learning way, making complex concepts easy to understand. Our contents follow BS, MS, MPhil and PhD syllabuses, which is very useful for the university and college students. Gain access to exclusive study material, including handouts, notes, and recommended books. We also offer guidance, strategies, and subject-wise lecture for CSS, PMS, and other exams. Finally, get interview tips to succeed in exams and professional opportunities. If you are looking for a simple, helpful, and effective way to learn about political science and international relations, this channel is for you. Please subscribe now, comments, and share with your friends. Wishing you all the best. Goodbye.